Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now I'm excited today to show you Pixel Studio version 2.0. Now, if you've already got access to a 1.0, you've already been upgraded to this for free. Okay, there's nothing else you need to do. You will have the ability to get some more upgrades. If we go home here, you'll see there's a number of upgrades that are available on the side. Those are new upgrades, some of them, so you can check out that when you next log into Pixel Studio FX. But really, you don't need to do anything right now because you've got an upgrade. Now, if you haven't yet got access to Pixel Studio FX, a little bit about it. It launched about a year ago, a little over a year ago. It was a very popular software and it closed down entirely. It's been closed for over a year now. Now they've decided to reopen it after adding a number of upgrades to the system. Now you'll see down below some of the upgrades. I'll have in my email some of the upgrades they've added. Basically, they've made the system a lot easier to use. They've added a ton more templates. And this software is now going to allow you to create branding for your websites and digital items really easily. So what you can do is you can basically choose a template that fits that you like, and there's a large selection here that you can choose from. Choose one that fits in with your strategy. So say for example we might choose this template. We click here. Now it shows the different digital properties you can use. Now these are the types of things you'd use on your sales pages, advertising an app, you might use it on your website, you might use them with clients. There's many different uses for these different types of graphics. So if you wanted to use one of these graphics, you saw one you really liked, then you select that particular graphic. So say for example I was doing a giveaway guide, 3,000 leads in 30 days for example, and this is one of the things you should do if you're looking to generate leads. You should be looking to create a giveaway guide. I'd create something like this. Now the look and feel of this, it adds a lot of value, okay, so immediately people are going to see it as more valuable. Now I'm on quite a small screen today. I'm on a 13-inch screen in the process of traveling, so what I can do is I can actually shrink my editing area down so you can see a lot more clearly what's going on here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to move that down, we're going to go across here, and now we have our canvas right here. So I can edit this by moving up and down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I can choose to colorize this. I could colorize the background if I wanted to. I could choose a different background template if I wanted to. I could down here adjust the position. I can also add text if I want to, and add transparency where I want to as well. So I can make certain images here transparent, basically transparent, and adjust the opacity. Okay, down here there's more settings. So right down here what we have is we've got basically a number of different settings, such as adding images, adjusting the background, resetting the template. You've got training in the help desk. You can also go ahead and add text if you want to, or if you want to customize text that's already on this, it's really easy to do that. It's a matter of just selecting it. Then after you've selected it, then all you need to do is adjust it down here. So say for example, what if I wanted to do 3,000 in 30 days, for example? I could go ahead, I could adjust this. Maybe I don't like that font so much, so I can go across here, I can adjust this so it's not handwritten, it could be impact instead, and then I can also adjust this particular writing here. So I could put this one right here, and then 3,000 in, and then I can adjust this, and I can say 30 days. But I might put 3,000 leads, so I might instead go 3,000 leads, apply, 3,000 leads in, and then down here I might remove this, and I can remove it by basically going ahead, and there is a delete button up here, and now I can go 30 days down here. 30 days. Alright, so 3,000 leads in 30 days. That's a guide that I have, and I can make this larger if I want to as well. 3,000 leads in 30 days. So we're creating a giveaway guide for a free product that I'm going to give away to generate leads. We've now gone ahead, we've created this. We can then go ahead and we can adjust this so you are the author. And if we wanted to, we could also, and I need to confirm that, apply. And then we can adjust this image, we can add this image, we can change it, we can delete it if we want to, or we can add other images by going over to the side here and selecting the image component. Now there is clip art that's available, so you can click on clip art, and you can actually find different images that you might want to add in for your different boxes. They've got a ton of different clip art in here. As you can see, I've just selected one category, and there's over 96 pages worth of clip clip art. So you'll be able to find some really fitting images that will work really well for you. If you wanted to upload a image or grab an image from your desktop, you can do that as well. You can basically go across, you can choose a file, and I'll do that right now. Choose a file, and I might choose leads, open. You can also go to stock accounts or stock images and find those as well. And I could add an image like this in. We can also go to stock images or system images, and it'll find a bunch of different stock images that might fit. And we can then select the niche that we're in and go ahead and start using these images. We can also use the integration they have with different stock websites such as Pixabay, Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Icon Finder. Enter in our details, and it'll show up all the different stock images that are available there for us to immediately use. Okay, so now that we've seen how that works, if you want to adjust the background, you can adjust the background here as well. There's a bunch of different background templates that they've got access or given you the ability to get access to. You can see them right here. So I could change the background entirely if I wanted to something like this, and it's probably not going to work on this type of text that I have because it's I need lighter background. So I could go down here, I can find a lighter background, and you'll be able to do this as well. If I went just white, I could just go white as well. So you're getting a feel for what this software does. It makes it really easy to create these types of images. Now in just a moment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and, well, that's not going to work. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you a example of this creating a particular set of images, and then will be finished. Now I'm just going to show you, then basically you would have seen what this does. Now I'm going to go down and I'm going to find a template that's a bit more fitting than the ones that I have for my background. They've got a lot here to choose from. Let's choose this one and see how that looks. Cool, that'll work. Alright, so once we've done that, we're satisfied with our what we've created, what we then need to do is click Save, and it's going to generate that image for us. Then we can click Preview, and it's now going to preview what this image will look like on our guide. So there we are. You can see how it looks. So if we're happy with that, and I'll probably work on this a little bit more, we can then go ahead, we can download it as a PNG, we can download it as a JPEG, a PDF, we can download it with the background. We can also add background color, look at a full screen preview, add a watermark if we really wanted to as well, if it was the type of image that we were planning to use on the web we didn't want shared. And that's basically it. You can have a look by changing the zoom, and we've created this image successfully. So if we go back home now, you'll see that this has been created, it's been saved in our recent projects, and it's also saved in our other projects as well. Now if you want to, you can create group shots. This is a new feature that's been added into the software. So as you can see here, you can actually create big group shots, and these really help. A lot of ClickBank marketers use these types of group shots to actually create really valuable looking digital products basically. You can go create new, you can select a theme, or you can start building from scratch, and then you can start customizing each one of these components of your group shot as well. So you could choose a particular template that you want to use for all of them or one of them, and you can do that through this system as well. Awesome. So this is what the software does. This is Pixel Studio Fx 2.0. And if we go through, you can see all the different types of templates you'll be able to create as well. There'll be a lot that you'll see on the sales page. However, I'll show you a few of them right now of the more popular categories. So health and fitness, there you go. We've got a lot to choose from. And by the way, you can customize every single component of these as well. So they've already used a designer to create these, and you'll be able to just customize them using the same font, using the same colors if you want to. That's quite a nice one up there. And you can then go ahead and you've created a really professional looking cover image. And the main use of this is not only the editor itself, but also the templates that come with it. There are a lot of them, and they're quite useful as well. Software and services, let's go and have a look at that one to finish off. And there you go. So if you want to get access to the software, this is for the price that it's on offer for, a bargain. If you went over to Upwork.com, for example, you could actually go ahead and sell your graphic creation services. You could actually create these different ebooks for people on Upwork, or you could do that for people on Fiverr, and you get paid for doing that because these look really professional. People will pay you for this. You could do it for clients as well. Or you might be saving a lot of money by doing this, because there's a lot of designers out there that create these. You'd usually have to pay between $50 and $300 depending on how advanced the ebook was that you were creating, or the digital images that you were creating, how advanced they were. With this system, you don't have to pay any of those costs. You can design it for free yourself within a matter of minutes, and if you want to, you can get an outsourcer to do this all for you as well. So I hope you like Pixel Studio FX after using the software. Really easy software to use. On a smaller computer, it's a little bit more difficult to do the editing, so you have to go and shrink the screen a bit. But if you're on a larger screen than 13 inches, on the more regular 15-inch or a larger screen than that, then you'll have no problems with that. That was the only difficulty I really found when creating these different graphics and additions to my ebooks. However, this should serve as a really good, a good product if you're looking to do any of this, if you don't already have access to it. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. Hope you've enjoyed this review today and you've got the information you're looking for. Go down below to find out more, and take a look at the bonuses down below as well. As usual, if you have any questions like that, please get in touch. I'll be more than willing to help you and answer those questions. Thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll see you later.